So the pink kush has been trimmed and stored away. I ended up with 5 ounces. Not bad considering I didn't really do too much training on the girls. So now with the pink kush dried and out of the way, I've moved things around. We'll get to that in a minute. But first, I'd like to thank the sponsor of the channel, Mars Hydro. For all the stages of your grow, they have you covered. Don't forget at checkout, you can use my promo code TAPROOTSGROWING, save yourself some money off your order. Alright, let's get into the video. Alright, in the Mars Hydro tent out of the FCE 3000. Pink Kush Day 68 of veg. I was gonna say flower, not yet. As you can see, it's gonna be tight in here. I probably should put up a trellis net, but I'll probably end up not doing it. Stubborn old goat. Anyway, so I'm gonna give him a week in this tent to get used to the light. And I'm going to gradually turn up the light intensity as the week goes on. And then next week I'll be flipping the girls over to flower. Then we're off to the races again. So I've been using this Power SI, and it's silica. So you add it to your water every time you water your girls. Again, silica, you add it to your plant. It helps to strengthen the cell walls, which helps fight disease and pests. I'm hoping it's going to help them be a little bit stronger this time around. I know, just get a damn net. I'll see. I might break down and get one. Anyways, that's it for this tent. Let's go check out the 2x2 and see how the Gorilla Glue is doing. Alright, in the 2x2 under the TS1000. Well, not really. I had to move it to hang up the plants. As you can see, I cut down the Gorilla Glue and I waited until day 57. But really I could have did it a lot earlier. I probably could have did it around in the low 50s, probably around day 51, 52, somewhere around there. It was cloudy. I wanted to wait for more amber. So anyway, I cut them down. They were pretty solid. No floppy branches. Sturdy as hell. So, same thing as I did with the pink kush. I'm going to let them dry for roughly 10 days. Then I'll trim them up with the bowl trimmer. Then I'll clean up the tent. And I'll start my friend's auto seeds. Okay, that's it for this tent. Let's check out the Gorilla Glue and see how it's doing. Alright, under the VG80. The Gorilla Glue, day 58. Looking absolutely terrific right now. Look at the one in the back. She was looking so rough a couple of weeks ago, and now she's really bounced back. She's got good color back. All the leaves that had the bad color and died off and are falling off, and all the new growth is coming in lush and green. And the leaves are starting to look normal again. So I'm happy that it came back around, bouncing back like a champ. So as you can see, they're getting pretty bushy. So I'm gonna give them a cleaning, I'm gonna give them a defoliation, and at the same time I'm gonna start topping them. And at the same time I'm gonna start using those tops as clones. I'm gonna start getting some cloning going, just so I can stagger it a bit, because I have to do quite a bit of clones this year. So I'm gonna stagger it and have my friends come get them, and I'll do some more, so on and so on. Alright, let's get into this. Alright, so I got them cleaned up. I'm still going to top them, but I'm not going to clone them, because I'm looking at the tops and they're not big. They're not going to be big enough to clone them. So they won't go far enough into the rooter cube, and anyways, they're too small. It's going to be too small. So I'm going to top them, and then I'm going to give them some time to recuperate, and then from there we'll start taking clones. So let's get into the topping. Alright, so like I said, I didn't take any of the clones, I just topped them a bit. As you saw, I super cropped one of them. Actually, I super cropped this one as well. And I bent this one over as well. Finally, I bent it over. Now I'm going to let them recuperate a bit. And in a week, I'll start maybe cleaning them up again because, you know, I bent this one over a little bit more. So now more of the middle shoots are going to shoot up. We'll end up with more more leaves and stuff like that. I'll wait roughly another 2-3 weeks before I start taking clones. It's probably a little bit too early to start taking them anyways, but I will have to stagger them. But like I said, I'll do them in probably 2 to 3 weeks. I moved the pink kush over here just to give a little bit more room for the Gorilla Glue to start spreading out a bit, so I can still really try and keep them low. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for joining me. Have yourselves a great day. Until next time, peace.